Hey everyone, Joe with Angel Eye Guy here. Today I'm going to show you how to replace out your OEM side markers to the sequential side markers. This will work on all E9x M3 platforms, so E90 M3, E92 M3, and E93 M3. Let's get started. So before I move everything, I want to show you, this is going to be the OEM bulb that's in there. So easy way to do it is to get some packing tape. You want to go ahead and put it on the bottom, on the top, and kind of create yourself a little handle. From there you can just give it a nice little pull and it should just come right out. Once we get it out, we have our connector here. You just want to put a little flat-headed screwdriver right in there, pop off the connector, and then we got a T25 screw and remove the light from the housing. Also on the back end, you are going to have a left and a right. So one of them should have an L for left and one should have a R for right. So this plugs in just like the OEM one. We're going to replace that Torx screw, plug it back in, and it should just clip right back into normal. And there you go, pretty easy. Here's going to be the clear sequential turn signal on there. And here is the smoked. Here's some shots of how the clear looks. Here's some shots with the smoked. And here's a shot with them both off. Also, you don't get any error codes or messages on the dash.